Revell's 1 to 500 scale HMS Royal Sovereign, a British battleship, World War I and World War II. Not a scale that is very popular, and as a result this kit was quite inexpensive. So I thought it would be a fun build, around 150 parts, and I set about making it. Moulded in light grey plastic. The parts were good, the plastic was good quality, but the mould was quite old, and as a result plenty of flash and a lot of cutting with the knife had to be done. The hull was in 2 parts, and so a seam line at the bottom quite hard to remove, but the deck above was an easy fit, and really it looks quite nice when the deck and the hulls are assembled. The upper deck, however, is not an easy fit. It's quite ill-fitting, and some pairing with the knife as well as filling needs to be done. Having no tape to guide me in the painting, I decided I would go ahead and paint by eye and get the lines as straight as I could using a fairly good horsehair brush. And gaps had to be filled with Tamiya filler and putty. In this bird's eye view, the HMS hood below, at 1 to 600 scale, the FX model, considerably longer than the 1 to 500 scale Royal Sovereign. So not a long ship, but certainly packing a mighty punch with her 8 15-inch guns. Launched in April 1915 and ready in May 1916, although just missing the famous Battle of Jutland. In the 1930s she was based in Malta, and in July 1940 took part in the Battle of Calabria in the Mediterranean. The result of that battle was a stalemate between the Italian Navy and the British Navy, and she spent the rest of World War II protecting merchant shipping in convoys, including the Arctic convoys. She was then transferred in 1944 to the Soviet Navy. The Russians renamed the ship the Archangel, kept her for 5 years, and then returned her to Britain in 1949. Then she was scrapped. Here is HMS Royal Sovereign, dressed for parade. And here is a very basic diorama idea, just using the box that the kit set came in, painting one side of it and dressing it up a bit. Thanks for watching.